Hello friends, welcome to Smart Auto Tool. In this video I show you how to use website notification. With this tool you can show notification pop-up, top bar, bottom bar on your website. Just add the code in your website and you can manage all the notification from dashboard. Services, scroll down and click on website notification. Here you can see notification website. Okay, scroll down. You have to install code, create notification, and then it's all the go. You can show notification bar, image, collector bar. You can see all the details: coupon bar, bottom bar, model collector, model to collector, call to action, text feedback, engagement link, information coupon, live counter, email collector, latest conversion counters, video, social share, random review, emoji feedback, cookie notification, score, request collector, countdown collector. So first sign up, click on register, scroll down, fill the detail, name, email address, password. Click on Google reCAPTCHA, confirm and click on register. After that your account has been created. Check your email for the activation link. Make sure you check your spam folder too. Okay, go to your email and verify the link. After verification, sign in your account. Click on login. The first step is you have to add the code on your website in header. If you are using WordPress website, there is lots of plugin available. But if you are using a PHP script and another, then you have to add this code in header section where you want to show the notification. Okay, click on install script. Copy this code. And I am using a demo website for this. Go to plugin, add new, search for header and footer, install now and activate it. Now go to setting, click on insert header and footer, add the code in header section. Now save it. Okay, now click on check activity. You have to wait some time. It will take some time, so we start creating a new campaign. Go to dashboard, start create campaign, any name, video, pop-up, name of the website, if you have subdomain, then include subdomains and submit. Okay, click on it. Click on create a notification. Here we can choose notification which one we want. So we want to set a video pop-up notification. So we go to video, select video, name it. Here it's show the demo, how it's looks. YouTube video, and create. Title, you can choose the title. You have to add here YouTube video embed URL. Don't use your direct URL. You have to choose embed URL. Go to youtube.com. Click on the video, share. Hello friend. Click on embed and copy this code. Now paste here. Delete all the unwanted code from the link. Okay, so this is videos embedded code. You can see if you want to set any URL, button URL, any button link, then trigger. If you want to show on your all website, then trigger on all pages. If you set any condition, then you can turn off exact match. If you want to show on a particular page contain part of the URL, start with the URL start, end with, and page contain. But I want to show on my all website, then trigger on all pages. Display trigger, delay to, I set to 0. Display frequency, you can set all the time, once per session, once per browser. I want to show all the time. I mean, if user go to next page, then it's also show. Display on small screen, I don't want to show on small screen like mobile. Display on large screen. Next is display duration, 5 seconds. But if you want to set it multiple, if you want to set it display forever, then you can -1. So if a user click on X button, then it's hide. Display position, middle center, display close button. You can display close button hide, but I want to show. Click on update. The last is customize. You can customize the background, title color, background pattern, and all the thing, but I don't want to. So our pop-up video notification is ready. So I want to test on my website, but first I have to activate it. Update. Open new tab. paste the URL and click enter. Okay, you can see a pop-up YouTube video. Click on play. Hello friends, welcome to Smart Auto Tool. Website notification. If you click on go to website for Facebook page, you can see it's this link take me to the another website. Okay, this is the one of the notification. Like this you can create many other notification for your website. So if you think you need another demo for this tool, comment below. I will create. Thanks for watching this video.